Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to conjugate verbs in Spanish in simple present. But before that, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Let's get started. So, as you know, the verbs in Spanish end in er, ar, or er. So, today I'm gonna teach you only the verbs which end in er. So, like the verb comer, comer means to eat. Leer, leer means to read. Beber means to drink. So you know the subject pronouns in Spanish. Yo means I, tú means you, singular. Él means he. Ella, she. Usted means you, singular, is the formal form of tú. Nosotros or nosotras means we. Vosotros or vosotras means you, plural form. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. Ellos, ellas means they. Ustedes means you, and plural form is the formal form of vosotros or vosotras. So, the verb comer, first of all, we have to delete er at the end of the verb, and we have to add o, es, hemos, eis, and so for the subject pronoun yo, we have to add o. Yo como, I eat. For the subject pronoun tú, we have to add es instead of er. So, tú comes, you eat, singular. Él, ella, usted come. Él come, he eats. Ella come, she eats. Usted come, you eat. Singular form, and is the formal form of tú. Nosotros comemos. So for nosotros or nosotras, we have to add hemos. Nosotros o nosotras comemos. We eat. Nosotros masculine. Nosotras feminine. Nosotros can be masculine and feminine with each other, but nosotras only feminine. We eat. Vosotros, vosotras coméis. You eat, plural form. So for vosotros or vosotras, we add eis. Vosotros or vosotras coméis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes comen. Ellos comen. They eat, masculine or masculine and feminine with each other. Ellas comen, they eat, only feminine. Ustedes comen, you eat, is the formal form of vosotros, vosotras, and is plural form. So, como, comes, come, comemos, coméis, comen. As an example, yo como pizza. I eat pizza. Yo means I, como, eat, pizza, pizza. I eat pizza. Another example, mi amiga y yo comemos pizza en el restaurante. Mi amiga means my friend, feminine, is a girl. Mi amiga, my friend, y yo, and I, y means and. Mi amiga y yo, my friend and I, comemos, eat, pizza, en el restaurante, in the restaurant. En, in English is in, el means the, restaurante means restaurant. So, my friend and I eat pizza in the restaurant. So, let's conjugate the verb leer, means to read. So, as I told you, for the subject pronoun yo, we have to add o, yo, leo. We have to delete er at the end of the verb, and we have to add o, es, hemos, es, and at the end of the verb. So, yo leo, I read. Tú lees, you read, singular form. Él lee, he reads. Ella lee, she reads. Usted lee, you read, singular form, and is the formal form of tú. Nosotros, nosotras leemos, we read. Nosotros, masculine or masculine and feminine with each other. Nosotras leemos, we read. Nosotras, only feminine. Vosotros, vosotras leéis, you read. You, plural form. Ellos leen, they read. They, masculine or masculine and feminine with each other. Ellas leen, they read. They, only feminine. Ustedes leen, you read is the plural form and formal form of vosotros, vosotras. So, leo, lees, lee, leemos, leéis, leen. As an example, él lee un libro. Él means he. He reads a book. Un means a. Libro means book. Él lee un libro. He reads a book. Another example, ellos leen una novela. Ellos means they. Leen, read. Una means one. Novela means novel. They read a novel. So, another verb, beber. Beber means to drink. So, we have to delete er at the end of the verb, and we have to add o, es, e, hemos, es, and at the end of the verb. So, yo bebo, I drink. Tú bebes, you drink, singular. Él bebe, he drinks. Ella bebe, she drinks. Usted bebe, you drink, singular form, and is the formal form of tú. Nosotros, nosotras bebemos, we drink. Vosotros, vosotras bebéis, you drink, plural form. Ellos, ellas, ustedes beben. Ellos, they drink, masculine or masculine and feminine with each other. Ellas beben, they drink, only feminine. Ustedes beben, you drink, is the formal form of vosotros or vosotras, and is plural. So, bebo, bebes, bebe, bebemos, bebéis, beben. As an example, ella no bebe cerveza is the negative form. So, she doesn't drink beer. Cerveza means beer. Ella no. Ella means she. No means no. Bebe, drink. Cerveza means beer. She doesn't drink beer. So, whenever we want to make our sentence negative, we have to add no before the verb. She doesn't. Ella no bebe cerveza. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Have a nice time and hasta luego.